Hey, it's your girl Lisa, and I'm getting ready to try the peach dump cake. I got my peaches, I got my Duncan Hines butter golden cake mix, I got cinnamon, I got ground nutmeg, the vanilla, my butter. I'm gonna put some instant maple brown sugar, instant oatmeal on the top, and some melted butter. So let's get started. Okay, y'all, so I used a total of 1 large can, the 29-ounce can of peaches, and 4 of the 15-ounce cans that's in the pan right now. My butter, there's 4 tablespoons of butter in here, melted. Put in the brown sugar. Let's just stir this up a little bit. So let's just dump it in here. Thought it was gonna, mix up pretty good, but it didn't. Okay. That's a cup of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of butter. Mix it in real good so it can be sweet. Don't be cooking with no nasty hands. So I'm putting a little bit of cinnamon. Just sprinkle it, lightly sprinkle. Just sprinkle it in there. About a tablespoon. That's all you need. Just enough to coat the peaches. Then I am going to use a little nutmeg. Not too much. Not too much nutmeg. Just a little bit. That should do it. About a half a teaspoon. So we got our sugar, a little butter, cinnamon, nutmeg. Stir it up. A little bit more cinnamon. Just a little bit. Because I can't smell it. I want to smell it. A little bit more cinnamon. Just a little. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Then I'll put in about a tablespoon of vanilla. I'm using Watkins vanilla. Okay, I'm gonna measure it. Okay, I got a tablespoon. Just sprinkle it on around in there. All right. And I'm gonna mix it up. Just mix it up real good. Oh, I smell that. Oh, that smells so good. Delicious. Let me taste it. No. Need just a little bit more. Just a little bit. Okay. Let me go get a new spoon. I'll be back. And I'm going to put a little bit more cinnamon and nutmeg in it. Just a little bit. It's sweet enough that it is. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. Just a little bit more nutmeg. Okay, that should do it. Okay. Mix it up. Stir it in. 2 boxes of cake mix. Butter golden. So we're gonna just put it all around. Make sure you get it all around the edges. Got 2 boxes because the pan is so big. So we need 2 boxes of cake mix. Distribute it evenly all the way around. Push it down in there. The first box. Just push a little bit down in there because I got another one to spread across. Push them peaches back down in there though. Push them back all the way down in there. Leave the layer right on top, but evenly disperse the cake mix on top. Evenly. I'm gonna let y'all know how it tastes. I'm gonna let my husband taste it. He loves sweets. I know he on the diet, but I'm gonna let him taste this. He gonna tell the real truth if it's good or not. He gonna tell y'all if it's nasty or if I should have used more sugar, more cinnamon, or what. He gonna tell it. Then we're gonna put a little crumble on the top. That's where the instant oatmeal come from. Yeah, I might have to get another pack, but I'm just gonna try to use these 2. I got my oven on 350. So all ready to go. It should be in the oven about 30 minutes. And yeah, then we're gonna have a peach dump cake. Yes. Make it for your family, and they're gonna be glad you did. Because it's gonna be so good. Especially around the holiday. Make a large pan like this. Peach dump cake at the next holiday. Because I don't cook a lot of sweets. But this right here, you're going to have it going on, girlfriend. Yes, you are. Start placing the butter on top. Now this butter gonna give you that crunch. Yes. I like spreading it, make them touch. I like the butter everywhere. And that's gonna give you that make it crunchy. Yep, so let me hurry up and place this on this pan. And I might have to cut up another one. I hope not, but hey, gonna get you right. I love peach cobbler, so this is the next best thing. And if you like it, peach cobbler, you'll like this. You'll love this. Yeah. Make sure you keep it pretty straight, because you don't want to, you want to keep that, the crust moist. When it goes in the oven, it gotta stay moist. I think I might need another stick of butter. It's gonna be rich then. I seen some people make this, they just spread butter on top. I want all mine to have butter on top. So yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna need another stick. This gonna be the third stick of butter I'm using. We on the third stick. But this is a big pan of dump cake, so I can't complain. This a thick piece. That should have been that one too. I cut it up too thick. It should have been thinner. Don't forget, your hands gotta be clean. You know, you go to them barbecues and people be saying, "Who cooked that? Who made that?" Don't be that one that be talking about, "Who made that?" I don't want none of that. Because they know that you don't wash your hands. Be that one that had a potato salad don't nobody want to eat. You be bringing the dump cake, you be taking that dump cake back home with you. 350. And then should be in the oven about 30 minutes. I wish I had some vanilla ice cream. I love vanilla ice cream. But we ain't got none. So, when it get done, we just gonna have to eat it like it is. Let me know if you ever made a dump cake for a holiday. And what kind of dump cake have you made? Was it apple, peaches? What kind have you made? And did it turn out right the first time that you made it? Just let me know. Because actually, this is my first time making one. So girl, let me know. How did your first time turn out? Okay, all done. Now I will see you guys when I get it out of the oven. Oh, look at that. That looks so good. Look at that. Y'all smell that? Oh, it smells so good. It's too hot to cut. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my God. I gotta wait until it cool off. Oh, that smells so good. I wish I had some vanilla ice cream. Yes, I do. Oh, that smells so good. So I'm gonna wait until it cool off, and I will see you guys. I need some. So I'm gonna see y'all when it cool off, and then I am going to get me a big scoop. All right, see y'all later. Just came out the oven.
Dump cake going on here. Dump cake. Looks like peach cobbler. It's looking good though. Here we go, y'all. Mmm. Mmm. Ain't no cheat day today, man. It's going down on Thanksgiving, y'all. We going down in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Take a look at that, y'all. Homemade. Got it going out. All right, y'all. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Peace. We out of here.